ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಯೂತ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಮಿತರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತ ವಿಶ್ವರವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತ ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯನವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದಂತ ಆಶಿಕ್ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿವ್ಯಾರವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಂಜೂರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಗೋವರ್ಧನ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವ? ರೆಡಿ? ಬೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Today we are having this huge protest. It is a march of mic off ಮಾಡು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. What is this protest march here organized? Yesterday the BJP Assam Karyakarta have tried to stop my leader Rahul Gandhi. They have tried to threaten with 15-16 flags and coming and trying to attack. The CM himself have directly stopped him from entering a temple. Is this democracy? We are here silently protesting, showing our solidarity, our strength to our leader Shri Rahul Gandhi.
Again, there was a protest in the morning and throughout the...
That is the senior Congress which has done the protest. Now the youth Congress have done. Tomorrow every district of Karnataka there is a protest. Day after every block of Karnataka there is a protest. So Assam Chief Minister thinks he's too cool. Tell him to go find some other state. Tell him to go find some other country. Not in India. You cannot kill democracy. We are all here today because of Baba Sahib Ambedkar's democracy.
Sir, when same question was asked to the Assam CM, he said that let's talk about Ram today, not about Ravan. He was mentioning Rahul Gandhi as Ravan.
We know who is the Ravan. We know who is the Ram. Today, the country of India, people of India are sick and tired of these BJP people. The last 10 years, they have not done a single development. They have not done one thing to growth, excepting washing machine party there. This same Himanta Biswa was in Congress. He had ED case. He went to BJP. All the case got vanished. And today is clear. This is washing machine BJP party. Tell Himanta Biswa, go get some more washing powder.
exactly you are asking through this protest, and what is your message?
We are showing our support with Rahul Gandhi ji for the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, because Rahul Gandhi ji has been traveling the entire country from Assam to Mumbai, So what we are portraying here with the support of the Youth Congress is that we are going to stand with Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra and with our leader Rahul Gandhi for the fight against the Nyay, for the youngsters and for the communal fight against whatever the BJP people are trying to communalize the country. We are fighting against it because we believe in secularism and we believe in the power of youths, and we want the youths
Do you
to.
think the rally was being allegedly stopped by any
Of course, he sent around 25 to 30 goondas, the BJP goondas who have come there and who try to stop the rally and try to call out all unwanted slogans against our when the yatra was going on and when our leader was there. The Assam CM Himanta Biswas is behind all this, and I don't think so. This is good politics, and this is not a good ethics. This is not the way you need to do politics. Thank you, Ashik.